Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. All right, I'm on day 2 of opening an advent calendar, and today we are going to open the 12 Days of Beauty from Ulta. And I have recruited my mini-me to help me open. So I got this for $20 and I just went on Ulta's website and it is now on sale for $12. So if you want to see me and my mini-me open up these 12 Days of Beauty from Ulta, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell, and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, here we go. Day number 1. What's it gonna be?
Eyeshadow.
Let's see. It is a eyeshadow duo. It doesn't say a color. What color is that? Pink?
Pink and brown.
All right. Let's swatch it a second. Come on. Let's see what we got going. All right, not too bad. Ooh, that was nice. Very soft, very creamy. Okay, maybe not so bad after all. What are you doing? Okay, day number 2. What is it?
Scented hand cream.
Scented hand cream. All right. Let's see how it smells. Put your hair down. What's it smell like?
Gingerbread. I don't know. I can't smell it.
Gingerbread? Where'd you get that from?
I can't smell it. It smells like carrots.
Carrots?
Yeah.
It actually kind of does. Macadamia. Number 3. What is it?
Blush.
Alright, oh. Might look good with what I'm wearing. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that is nice. Again, very creamy. Like it. Number 4. All right.
Eyeshadow.
Another eyeshadow. All right, well, let's swatch this one. Like that color. Okay, that's nice. Not so bad. I've never tried Ulta eyeshadows before, but again, very pigmented, very creamy feeling. Okay. Put the bag down.
No, they want to...
Stop hiding your
They gotta
face.
see the number.
Oh, you're showing the number. Okay. What number are we on?
5.
Number 5. All right. What is it? Lipstick? You want to put it on?
I don't know. What color is it? You put it on.
I already had stuff on. You put it on. Let's see how good you do. Ooh. Okay.
Ew.
That's nice. Kind of a nude tint of brown.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. Trying to extend your lip there. Trying to overdraw your lips. Okay. So, there it
What are you
is.
doing? Why are you putting it on your hand?
I'm just showing them again. It's not a very good swatch. All right. Looks pretty. All right. That was number 5.
6.
6. What's it gonna be? I don't know.
Face primer.
Face primer. Okay, I was gonna say, please don't be another lotion that smells like carrots. All right.
9.
It's clear. All right. It does make your skin soft. No smell to it. Oh. Does it smell?
No.
All right. Yeah, we'll give it a try.
7.
Oh.
Lip mask.
A lip mask. All right. Well, you get to try this one
Okay, let me
too.
do it. Let me put it. What's a lip mask? It goes on your lips?
Yeah. It says overnight. Oh, look at the color. It's pretty pink. Pretty
No.
bubblegum pink. How's it smell?
I don't know.
Does it smell good?
I can't tell. Oh, that has the smell.
Okay. How's it feel?
Where'd the lid go? Feels fine. Blah, blah, blah.
And where are you wiping it off?
'Cause. That's pretty though.
Yeah. All right. There is the lip mask. Ready? See if we can make it in. Ugh.
I still made it though.
Okay. Let's move on. Didn't quite make it. Number 8. Oop. Oh, other lip.
Liquid lipstick.
All right. You get to be the model again.
Whoa!
Oh, that's definitely.
No,
That's brown. Don't put it on.
no. I don't know how to put it on.
Yeah, keep going.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Oh, get it on your teeth. No, don't get on my shirt. I already got a glob of makeup on my shirt. Oh, don't need more on there. Okay. All right, there was number 8.
Where's the water? Give me water.
I don't have water. Ooh. Okay, yeah, let's. Spit isn't working. Let me go get something. All right, she's going in the bathroom to try and wash that brown lipstick off. So while she's doing that, let me show you something. So I love McDonald's, and a couple days ago I got a 1/4 pounder meal, of course, large size. You get that extra ice in that pop, and I took a couple bites, and then I looked at it, and this is what I saw.
A finger.
No, not a finger. That would be very disgusting. No, this is what I saw. I was like, did I just eat raw meat? So I threw it right away. Another time I went to McDonald's and I got a cheeseburger. And I went through the drive-thru, and when I got back to work, I took a bite. I was like, something don't seem right. And so I opened up the bun, and there was no hamburger patty. I was like, why do I have a cheeseburger with no meat? So sometimes you just can't win when you go through drive-thrus. All right. You all good now? You get it washed off? All right, let's keep on moving. What do we got next?
Number 9.
Number 9. All right, what do we got?
Clean brow. I don't know what it says. Something brow gel.
Brow gel. Clear brow gel.
That's what it says.
Okay, let me do it on you.
What's brow gel?
It just combs up and helps your eyebrows stick. Okay, you can't do it.
You have to do it outside.
I can't do it when I'm moving. You're moving. Oh, here. All right. How they look? It's just like a gel.
They
clear
look the
gel.
same.
Okay. Boop. All right. Next one.
10.
Okay. A few more bags.
Right after I just washed it.
Another lip product.
It's a lip glow.
Oh, lip glow. Okay, I like glows. You get to put it on again. Okay.
Oh, it just makes your lips shiny.
Yeah, I like that. I like shiny. Does it taste?
No.
No? Okay. All right. Hopefully we don't get another lip product.
It feels like there's nothing in here.
Oh. Look like it
doesn't
doesn't
say.
say.
I think you put them under your eyes,
Yeah,
right?
assuming some kind of eye patches. Do you just put them on? Do you have to get them wet? Who knows? No instructions. Okay.
But 12, the last one. But yeah. What is this? Shadow Crayon.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
It's just the
Brown.
Do I like brown eyeshadows?
No.
What do I like?
Sparkly one.
Yeah, that's right. Give me color and give me sparkle. Looks like there's a little shine to it, but What do you think of this 12 days of beauty?
It's fun opening.
It's fun opening, but what do you think of the products?
I
can't hear you.
They're good.
Okay. Enough of you. So my final thoughts is I would say if you get it for $20, not worth it. $12, it's a little better. I think I'm going to like the blush and the eyeshadow. The other stuff I'd have to test out, but you know, for those little minis, $1 for them, okay. But the $20 for 12, no, I would not do it. All right. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.